Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric bikes under $1,000 that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the generic electric bike for adults. This compact folding e-bike is a great choice for urban commuters and casual riders who want portability without compromising on performance. With a peak 500-watt motor and a top speed of 23 mph, it's capable of tackling 30 degrees inclines effortlessly. The removable 48V 12Ah lithium battery offers a solid range of up to 38 miles in pedal assist mode, making it suitable for daily commutes or short adventures. The design is lightweight, with a 14-inch frame that folds down in seconds to fit into tight spaces like car trunks or apartment corners. It's built with an aluminum alloy frame that emphasizes durability while maintaining portability, and adjustable handlebars and seats cater to riders between 5 to 6 feet tall. It also includes front and rear dual disc brakes, a bright LED headlight, and an anti-theft alarm for safety. While this bike is a practical and affordable option, its limited payload capacity of 260 pounds and smaller wheels make it less suitable for off-road adventures or heavier riders. It's ideal for commuters and city dwellers, but might not be the best option for long-distance or rugged terrain enthusiasts. Overall, it's a dependable companion for those who value convenience and affordability. At number 4, we have the GoTrax 20-inch folding electric bike. Designed with commuters in mind, this e-bike combines practicality and performance. Its peak 500-watt motor enables a top speed of 20 mph, making it perfect for urban environments. The 48-volt 7.8 amp-hour battery delivers a range of up to 40 miles in pedal assist level 1, or 15.5 miles in pure electric mode. The battery charges in just 5.5 hours. Ensuring minimal downtime. The bike's foldable design is a standout feature. At just 45 pounds, it folds down compactly to fit into car trunks or subway cabins, making it ideal for people who frequently travel in congested cities. Its durable iron frame and 20-inch tires handle a variety of terrains, from city streets to light trails. Safety is prioritized, with dual disc brakes, an LED headlight, and a rear reflector for enhanced visibility during night rides. However, the GoTrax bike has a slightly lower top speed compared to competitors, and its rigid frame might not absorb shocks as well as suspension-based designs. It's perfect for commuters who need a reliable, portable e-bike for daily use, but those seeking an off-road experience or higher speeds may need to look elsewhere. Overall, it's a solid choice for city riders who value convenience and safety. Coming in at number 3 is the StopSad 14-inch electric bike for adults. This folding e-bike is tailored for city riders who prioritize portability and simplicity. The 500-watt motor provides a top speed of 22 miles per hour, which is sufficient for most urban commutes. It includes 3 practical riding modes: all-electric, pedal assist, and manual bicycle, making it user-friendly and efficient. The removable 48-volt 12 amp-hour battery offers up to 22 miles in pedal assist mode and charges quickly, perfect for busy schedules. This bike features a lightweight carbon steel frame and folds down to fit tight spaces like car trunks or apartments. Weighing just 48 pounds, it's incredibly easy to carry. Safety features include dual disc brakes, LED headlights, and a loud horn, ensuring visibility and security during night rides. The adjustable seat and handlebars make it comfortable for riders of various heights. While the StopSad e-bike is a fantastic option for city commuting, its shorter range and smaller wheels may limit its suitability for longer rides or rough terrain. It's an excellent choice for college students, urban commuters, or anyone who needs a compact, reliable e-bike for short-distance travel. Overall, it's a well-rounded, portable solution for everyday riding. At number 2, we have the Narek Fat Tire Folding Electric Bike. This bike is built for adventure, combining off-road durability with folding convenience. Its peak 1100-watt motor delivers impressive speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, And the 48-volt 13Ah lithium battery provides a range suitable for extended rides. With its multi-tooth, thick tires and front suspension fork, it's designed to handle diverse terrains like gravel roads, trails, and hills. The foldable frame is both sturdy and ergonomic, featuring a step-over through design for easy access. At 63 pounds, it's heavier than some competitors, but its robustness ensures reliability for off-road excursions. Safety features include dual disc brakes, Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, and integrated LED lights for day and night visibility. The detachable luggage rack adds versatility for carrying gear. While the Narek bike excels in power and performance, its heavier weight and larger size may limit portability compared to lighter models. It's perfect for RV owners, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts who need a rugged, versatile e-bike. Overall, it's a powerhouse designed for adventure seekers who demand performance and durability. And finally, at number 1, we have the Eddy 26-inch electric bike for adults. This e-bike is the ultimate combination of performance, design, and versatility. With a peak 1,500-watt motor and a top speed of 34 miles per hour, it's the most powerful model on this list. The 48-volt, 18-amp-hour removable battery delivers an exceptional range of up to 90 miles in pedal assist mode, making it ideal for long-distance adventures or daily commutes. The design is robust, featuring a high-carbon steel frame and 26-inch fat tires that handle all terrains, including sand, snow, and gravel. It also includes advanced features like hydraulic disc brakes, a smart LCD display, and Bluetooth-enabled app connectivity for GPS tracking and security. The reinforced rear rack supports over 330 pounds, making it perfect for carrying cargo or even a child seat. While this bike is packed with high-end features, its higher weight and advanced design may require more setup and maintenance compared to simpler models. It's best suited for commuters, off-road riders, and anyone looking for top-tier performance in an electric bike. Overall, the Eddy bike delivers unmatched power, range, and versatility, making it the clear winner on this list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.